Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have essentials, Git, and an account. First, open GitHub and create a new repository, name it clearly. Then, on your machine, initialize a local repo or clone the new repo using SSH. Once done, add your project files, run git add, and commit with a concise message. Make sure to set your user name and user email so commits attribute correctly. Finally, push to origin main to upload your initial snapshot to GitHub. You now start active development on a branch. Create a feature branch and work there to keep main stable, switch with git checkout B. As you edit, commit frequently with focused messages so history reads well. When collaborating, fetch and rebase to incorporate upstream changes. This prevents merge clutter. Once your feature is ready, push the branch and open a pull request on GitHub. Explain the why and what in the PR description so reviewers can approve quickly. You complete the cycle by merging the approved PR into main, making sure CI checks pass and tests succeed. Once merged, create a semantic tag for the release and push tags to GitHub so releases are reproducible. If you encounter merge conflicts, Git status will show affected files, open them, resolve markers, git add, and commit. After resolving, continue your rebase or finish the merge, then push the fixed branch. One tip, when stuck, stash local.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.